So starting with our pre-submit questions with some more high-level and beginner-level questions. So someone is asking, I am a beginner of SOAR. Can you share about what should I do? What should I know about SOAR and where should I get started? Any recommended courses?
Yeah, I can jump on this one first, and then Aaron definitely jump in where you'd like. Splunk Docs is always a good place. I've always told my team members and try to do it myself as well. Right, read the docs, read the manuals. They are written fairly well in terms of how to administer, how to accomplish specific tasks, where to click, what to do from a settings perspective. We also have Splunk Lantern, which is more outcome based. So if you're looking to do very specific topics, it many times will link into docs, put additional clarity around it at all as well for how to accomplish very specific items. Splunk Education is always a good way to go as well. Some of those are free courses. Some of them are paid for courses. Many times, with if you do have Splunk SOAR specifically, we will include education credits as part of an overall success package. So you may want to work with your Splunk administrators or your account team to ask if you have education credits available to you, if that's something that you're looking for. Aaron and I do this very frequently as well from a pre-sales perspective. We have workshops that are available that go through kind of a SOAR hands-on. It allows you to go into an environment that you can completely mess up if you really want to, because it really doesn't matter because it's yours and you won't affect anyone else. But we also walk you through step by step how to perform a large variety of different topics within SOAR for that. Shameless plug, we're also coming out with a new one here in a little bit that's a little bit more advanced that goes down into more detail of how to specifically build playbooks and those types of things. If that's something that you're interested in, please talk to your account team as well. Aaron, any other details to add in?
No, I think you pretty much hit all the points.
Want to sign up for a future community office hours? From community.splunk.com, select events, then Office Hours Ask the Experts to register for a session across platform, security, or observability. Hope to see you in the next one.